Don't sleep on this technology. Okay, we're going to start out by typing a prompt for ideogram. Now we're going to copy that and go to ideogram, log in, and paste that. We're going to keep it 1 by 1 square and generate. I really like this one right here. So I'm going to copy that image and paste into vectorizer.ai. And let's go to download it. We'll pull it up in Illustrator. This is going on a black shirt, so I'm going to select the same fill color. We're going to ditch all of that black. Now I'm going to select the blue, same fill color, put it on a different layer, and hide. Same with the red. Select same fill color. Create layer, drag it up, hide. We're going to select the beak, add another layer, drag it up, and then I'll add a background that is that black and lock that layer down. Now on this yellow layer here, I don't need all these crumbs. Red layer looks good. And the blue, yeah, let's ditch these tiny little crumbs. Okay, at this point, it is ready to send to DTF, or I can create my screen printing separations and print film, add text, but you see how quickly this design went from text prompt to clean vector art.